Hello, and welcome to MyFacilities Security Management System for Access Control. To access this application, you must have successfully signed in to MyFacilities. On the top right-hand corner, you will see an icon with three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. That is the navigation menu. When you click on the navigation menu, a list of items will drop down from the top of the screen. One of those items is called Access Control. If you do not see this item on the navigation menu, it means you do not have access to use this. Please contact Key Control at 305-348-4677 to request access. By clicking on Access Control, another item will drop down below called Security Management System. Proceed with clicking on that item to access the application. You will be greeted with our terms and conditions. Please make sure you read that carefully and select the checkbox below to make sure that you agree. Congratulations, you have now accessed MyFacilities Security Management System for Access Control.